Ano?
Happy birthday! Okay, sabay-sabay po tayo. Let's shout, Happy birthday, Jay! Okay, mommy and dad, and of course, Ate Kelly, please help Jake to blow his candle.
Parang malayo yung ganda. Malayo eh. Kabilaw na ng tatay.
Okay, everyone come over here. Alright, we have 18 counts. Palakpakan naman natin si Kuya. Alright. Your mic? Ready? Go!
Happy birthday!
Okay, ready? Both hands? Taas ang kamay? Kuya, both hands. Both hands. Dalawang kamay. Both hands, both. dalawa. Ayan. Okay, taas isa. Yan.
Nasa loob ng pulsa niya eh.
Ready? Head, shoulder, knee, head, shoulder, knee, head, shoulder, knee, shoulder, knee, head, shoulder. Oh, it's okay, you're out. Alright, once again, we have a winners. Palakpakan po natin yung winners natin. Ang head or ulo. Yan. Very good. Balikat, tuhod, paa. Alright, one more time. Ulo, balikat, tuhod, paa. Ulo, balikat, tuhod, paa. O, tignan niyo. Ayan. Okay, so yun yung mechanics ng game. So, pag nagkamali kayo ng hawak, kayo yung ma-out sa game natin. No? Alright, so kayo yung tama, ako yung mali. Huwag niyo akong gagayahin. Okay po ba yun? Okay, so ready tayo kids. Anong gusto niyo, mabilis or mabagal? Alright, sige. Slowly lang tayo, mabagal lang. Raise your hands. Ready? Hawakan na
Patuloy
ulo.
gumagano dyan.
Balikat, tuhod, ulo, balikat, tuhod, ulo, balikat, tuhod, ulo, balikat, ulo, balikat, ulo, balikat, tuhod, balikat, tuhod, balikat, paa! Paa! Yung prize, kailangan nyo lang pong i-shout ng happy birthday si Jake ng malakas. Okay, ready na po ma'am? So shout nyo lang po na happy birthday si Jake. Okay, ready na po? Okay, ready?
Happy birthday, baby Jade! Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much. Get your prize, ma'am. Here's your prize, ma'am. Thank you. Kailangan nyo lang itaas yung dalawang kamay nyo. Raise your hands, come on. Both hands, kailangan dalawang kamay. Both hands. Alright. Alright, so pag sinabi kong hawakan ang head or yung ulo natin, kailangan yung hawakan yung ulo natin. Okay, so